Ever wondered what plants are best for urban gardening? In a world where open space is a luxury, urban gardening offers a breath of fresh air. It's not only a practical way to grow fresh produce right on your doorstep, but it also adds a splash of green to our concrete jungles. Today we're embarking on a journey to explore the top 10 plants that are not only perfect for urban gardening, but are also easy to grow and maintain. Ready to discover the top 10 plants suitable for urban gardening? Let's dive in. Starting with number 10, we have lettuce. A fantastic choice for container gardening, lettuce comes in an array of types and colors to brighten up your urban garden. It's easy to grow, and with continuous harvesting, you can enjoy fresh salads all season long. Moving on to number 9, tomatoes. Particularly dwarf varieties, these compact plants are perfect for small spaces like balconies and patios. They might need a little extra care with staking and pruning, but the reward of homegrown tomatoes is well worth the effort. Number 8 brings us to radishes. If you're after a quick harvest, these are your go-to. Radishes require little space and mature rapidly, making them a satisfying and convenient crop for urban gardeners. Next at number 7, we have herbs. Basil, mint, rosemary, you name it. These aromatic plants are perfect for small pots, and they can be grown both indoors and outdoors. Fresh herbs at your fingertips can elevate your culinary game. At number 6, we have spinach. This leafy green thrives in shaded areas, making it suitable for urban spaces with limited sunlight. It's also packed with nutrients, a healthy addition to your urban garden harvest. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 we find peppers. Both sweet and hot varieties can flourish in pots. They add a pop of color and a burst of flavor to your urban garden, making them a spicy choice for home growers. Number 4 on our list is strawberries. These sweet treats can be grown vertically, saving space and adding an aesthetic appeal to your urban garden. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown strawberries. Moving into the top 3 with kale. It's resilient and packed with nutrients, making it a fantastic choice for urban gardens. It can withstand varying temperatures, ensuring a generous harvest regardless of the season. At number 2, we have green onions. They are continuously harvestable and perfect for small containers. Just snip off what you need, and they'll keep growing back, providing a constant supply of fresh flavor for your dishes. And finally, the number 1 plant for urban gardening is dwarf beans. These compact plants may be small in size, but they produce a generous yield. They're easy to care for, making them an ideal choice for both novice and experienced urban gardeners. Dwarf beans are a testament to the fact that great things often come in small packages, so there you have it, the top 10 plants for urban gardening. Each of these plants brings something unique to the table, whether it's a quick harvest, a pop of color, a burst of flavor, or a bounty of nutrients. No matter the size of your space, you too can enjoy the rewards of urban gardening. There you have it, the top 10 plants for urban gardening. From the easy-to-grow lettuce to the generous dwarf beans, these plants are perfectly suited for city dwellers looking to add some greenery to their homes. Whether you have a sunny balcony or a shaded patio, there's a plant for you, so why not give urban gardening a try? You might just find it's the green thumb you never knew you had. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!